Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick video on how to level your build plate. First of all, you want to loosen these 4 bolts. This is what I'm going to do right now. Make sure they are loose and you can easily push them in like that. Then you want to add your build plate. Make sure it's all nice and clean. There's no debris underneath it, because that's going to influence your bed leveling. And turn this thing all the way up. Next, everybody has this piece of paper. You can put it underneath it, and we go to the tool section. Then we go to manual. And we push this button. This is going to be the button to lower everything. So if you do not loosen these bolts or this handle, the build plate will just smash on the screen and destroy it. Now when this is ready, the system will give you 2 beeps. That's the first time. Now the second time. Alright. The instructions say to put on some pressure on the build plate and tighten the 4 screws. I'm going to do this finger tight at first. Hold your hand on it and tighten the screws, just like that. Then we tighten this. This doesn't have to be way tight. So now you have the problem that the build plate is way too tight on the screen. You cannot pull out this piece of paper. So you go to the manual setting and you go to the 0.1 millimeter increments and you start raising it with 1 by 1 until you can pull out the piece of paper. All right. So this took me about 5 steps. So we had to raise it by 0.5 millimeters to be able to move this piece of paper underneath the build plate. Now I'm going to give it 1 drop. And we can still move the piece of paper. So I think this is the good height. Then we go back, set Z as 0, confirm it. And now your printer is set up to print. Now you can go back to manual. You can raise the plate from here. Everything is zeroed. You have added some little bit of space for resin to flow under it. And now you should be good to go. So this was a quick and dirty on how to level the build plate. And if you ever have to redo it, the little booklet has the same info I just told you. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. As you can see, this paper only is partial correct. The other instructions are in the booklet that you have to raise the build platform until you can barely move the paper underneath it. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.